Creamy, rich, and absolutely irresistible. This mushroom pasta is comfort food at its best. Let's start by adding 1 teaspoon of salt to boiling water. This is where the pasta gets its flavor. Now add your pasta and cook it until perfectly al dente. In another pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. This combination gives a rich base to the sauce. Add finely chopped garlic and saute for about a minute until fragrant. Next, add chopped onions and cook them until soft and slightly translucent. Now add your mushroom, saute for a minute and let them release their flavor. Here I have used button and oyster mushrooms. You can use whatever you like. Saute on high heat so the mushrooms don't release its water. To this, pour in fresh cream and give it a quick stir. To this, add half a cup of pasta water and stir it. This will give us a smooth and silky sauce. Season the sauce with mixed dry herbs and salt to taste. Give it a good stir. Add the boiled pasta to the sauce and mix well. Make sure each and every pasta is coated beautifully. Finish it off with some cheese and give it a final mix until creamy and glossy. Serve it hot with freshly cracked black pepper on top. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Reels to Meal for more delicious content. And thank you for watching.